Hi guys! Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Muktiaji. You can call me Chacha, and I'm from English class A. So today I will to explain my presentation about Saudi Arabia travel document requirement. So let's check this out. Okay, the next is the topic or content of the video. This is the fourth topic. The first is about Saudi Arabia. Number second is what are documents needed when we travel or visit in Saudi Arabia. Number three is what are custom and policy in Saudi Arabia. And the last, this is the what are cabin baggage regulation in airlines in Saudi Arabia. Okay, the first of all is about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is one of the country in Middle East with abundant oil, wealth, and is a destination for all people in the world, especially for Muslim, to perform Hajj and Umrah. And Saudi Arabia is favorite destination from all Muslim in the world. Okay guys, this is the Saudi Arabia entry requirement. Ready to delve into the stunning visa and cultural treasure of Saudi Arabia? While the entry rules might appear as layered as the country's rich history, rest assured, and we are here to simplify your journey with clear step-by-step and guidance. So this is the 7th travel document if you want to come to Saudi Arabia. The first of all is valid passport. This passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the departure date from Saudi Arabia. And the number second is visa. Visa divided into several types like tourist visa, visa on arrival, Saudi Arabia ATA, Saudi Arabia Umrah visa, Saudi short stay visa, this is the C types, and the last is Saudi long stay visa, this is the D types. And then pass photo, a recent passport photo of the applicant, and then itinerary, this is the confirmation of where you will be staying during your visit, such as like a hotel reservation or invitation letter from your host, and then travel medical insurance, and then document for minor, this is the birth certificates or parental consent. And the last is vaccinate certificate, like meningitis for Hajj and Umrah. And just info, all travelers arriving from countries or area at risk of yellow fever must present a valid yellow fever vaccination certificate. Okay, and the immigration is about the first is travel document, and the number second is restriction and prohibited items for foreigner, and the last is custom and permit. Okay, this is the travel document if you want to come to Saudi Arabia. The first is valid passport. The passport must be valid for no less than 6 months from the date of entry into the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And the number second is valid visa. Number 3 is travel insurance with COVID-19 coverage. And the number 4 is Saudi Arabia arrival registration. Due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, Saudi Arabia introduced mandatory electronic travel registration from every person arriving in the kingdom. And the registration is entirely online and requires providing some basic personal, passport, health, and travel-related information. Despite loosening the coronavirus restriction in the country, arrival registration remains obligatory for all travelers to Saudi, regardless of their vaccination status. Okay, and the last is Tawakalna application. In addition to completing the Saudi Arabia arrival registration, travelers need to download the Tawakalna application 8 hours prior to plane arrival in the kingdom. And the application is available both for Android and iOS and is used to sync and confirm the vaccination status of its user. And travelers using Tawakalna application also receive notification from the Saudi Ministry of Health. Okay, and this is the restriction items for foreigners, like alcohol in restricted quantities, and then control drugs and medicine, and then cash amount in excess of reals or money, and then counterfeit tobacco and its derivative, and then transparent fishing nets and using crossbows, and then wireless communication equipment and bagging device, telescopic sight from firearms, all types of weapons, and then items controlled by the seats, convention including ivory and rhinoceros horn, and then helicopters, e-cigarettes, and then children's toys, guns, and all items similar to weapons, arms, ammunition, and explosive of all kinds. So let's read this. Okay, and this is the permit and custom or shield on children if you want to come to Saudi Arabia. The first is irrespective of age, 600 of cigarettes or 100 cigar or 500 gram of tobacco is any excess prohibited. And number 2 is a reasonable quantity of perfume or eau de cologne for personal use. And the last is a reasonable amount of cultural pearls for personal use. So this is the children if you want to come to Saudi Arabia. The first is alcoholic beverage, and the number second is pork product. Number 3 is nature pearls, and the last is firearms or other lethal weapons like drugs, narcotic nature, except medicine for personal holding prescription. Okay, and this is the rule conferred by Saudi Airlines as an airline owned by Saudi Arabia. So read this. Okay, and this is the classification of luggage that can be put into baggage or cabin for passenger if you want to Saudi Arabia with Saudi Airlines. So, for Saudi Airlines passengers, it's recommended to use luggage or hand luggage in accordance with what has been stated on the official website, so as not to exceed the specific capacity. This is the luggage like 62 inch or 115 inch centimeter. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention to me and my presentation, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.